Hey, it's Trip. Geez, it's been a long time since we got together. But, Grace and I thought it would be really, really great to see you tonight. For you to come over or something. So good. I mean, you could just come by around 8 or something. That'd be really good. Yeah, so, I really hope you can make it. See you then.
Where are the new wine glasses?
What for?
That should be obvious.
Oh, God, Trip, don't turn this into a big production, please.
Jesus, Grace, come on, I'm not asking a lot here. Oh, he's here.
What? You said he's coming an hour from now.
No, he's supposed to be here now.
Trip.
Dan! Hi, it's so great to see you! All right. Wow, it's really, really great to see you. Well, come on in. I'll go get Grace. Grace? What are you gonna hide in the bedroom all night?
No, I just don't want to go out there.
Oh, come on.
Look, Trip, I don't understand why. I just don't want to go out there yet.
I need to want to go out there.
I'm not ready to go out
Well,
there.
you have to be out there, okay? So just put on a happy face and get going. Get going.
Look, I don't understand why you're always doing this to me.
Grace, can we do this later?
Yes, I'm coming. I'm ready. You just... Ugh!
Dan. Hi, how are you? God, it's been a while.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I just asked him that. Well, so, make yourself... Aw. By the way, you look wonderful.
I'm gonna fix us some drinks. Oh. Yeah. All right, that's what I wanted to hear. It'll just take me a short minute here.
You know Trip, he never gets tired of making fancy drinks for whoever will indulge him.
Grace, I assume you want your usual, a lovely, very cold glass of Chardonnay?
I'm not in the mood to drink tonight. Just cranberry juice for me.
Fine.
So, Dan, I'm hoping you...
Oh, I'll get it.
No, we have a guest. We can let the answering machine pick it up.
Grace,
Trip,
no, I
please,
want...
dear, What? Wait, let's just wait for the answering machine.
Grace?
Dan,
Grace, hello?
No, please don't do that.
Who is this, Grace? Is that you?
Ugh, it's my dad. I can hear his voice.
I don't recognize your voice. Excuse me, I must
Okay,
have the
he's
wrong number.
being annoying as usual. Just hang it up.
Well, I'll just put this on the bar for you. Well, Grace's parents. There's something else. Really classy.
Ugh, no, they're impossible. They're always expecting me to act like the dutiful daughter. It's so annoying. Well, we're all friends here.
Dan. I'm sorry, you didn't come here to hear this.
What? Trip, it's okay if we disagree in front of our friend.
We're not disagreeing. We're not disagreeing.
What?
Oh, Dan. I thought you might like this photo I just put up from our recent trip to Italy.
It's a beautiful picture of the Italian countryside. Of course he'll like it.
Grace, I know you don't like it, but our friend might. Dan.
By the way, anybody, join me on the couch if you like.
Now, Dan, in one word, what does this picture say to you?
Say to you. Yes, good question. Good question.
Right! Love! Romance!
Romance? Huh. In our marriage, that's just a code word for manipulation.
Grace,
Yeah, no, Trip tricked me into going. And you knew I planned to attend my friend's art show that weekend.
what? What? Dan.
Trip, that was just a well-intentioned little poke in the ribs between friends, that's all.
Good one, man. Good one.
You know, ever since we got married, Trip is forever trying to get me to buy new furniture and redecorate. And
Ah, yeah. Dan, I knew you'd like it. See, Grace, you don't realize how good all this looks. And how good you look.
so I normally like redecorating. But, Dan, you have to look at this room and admit it looks terrible.
Grace?
I mean, look. No, this room is a complete mess. At work, I waste all day designing ads for stylish objects like this couch. And then it makes me think I want to design it into my apartment. So I just had to have this couch. But damn it, it's wrong. It's all wrong. I should have chosen a modest, simple love seat.
A little love seat? What? Grace, everything's fine. No one is complaining about your
No,
decorating.
decorating is just... There must be some way I could...
Oh, yeah. You know, I think I'll fix us another drink in not too long.
I don't know what to think. I don't know.
You're good at decorating. Trust yourself. Ugh, you're driving me insane!
No, I'm the one going insane.
Goddamn romance.
What are you saying?
Dan, can you believe this?
Oh,
Dan?
yeah. I know what you're going to say. You're so positive tonight. It's driving me crazy.
Your goddamn parents. You think you're better than me just because... What? What are you saying to me? What?
Okay, you know what?
Dan?
I'm going to ask you something.
Grace?
Trip, let me ask our guest a question.
Dan?
Yes or no? Do you think it's wrong for one person in a marriage to listen too much to the other?
What?
To trust your husband or wife too much, to rely on them too much. Is that wrong? Yes or no?
What? Oh, yeah. That's fine. That's fine. Ugh, I keep trying to help you, Grace, but you reject me. You cut me off. You cut me out of your life. God damn it!
Ugh, yeah, good. Get away from me. I can't stand you. God damn it. Oh! What are you saying? What?
What? Are you talking
I
about
wasn't talking about you. Dan, I'm sorry. This is a disaster.
Dan. Grace is just so...
Oh, we're talking about me, are we?
What? Grace, even though now you're a creative director at...
This painting, well... See, all I really wanted was something personal and beautiful and special.
Grace.
But I just... No, I just get so depressed and angry when I look at it.
Jesus. No, look, there's nothing wrong with the stupid painting.
Well, it makes me feel like shit.
Ugh, you feel like that for no reason.
No, I want to talk about Trip.
God, it makes me so angry.
What?
Dan,
All this stuff, having all this money makes us so happy. We're so happy, aren't we, Trip?
Jesus, what do you want? Now you're unhappy because we're too well off? Dan, isn't that ridiculous?
Yes. You both just get away from me. Ugh. Why? Oh, God. Dan. If you take his side in this, I swear I'll walk out the door. No. No, wait, I can't. I need a minute to...
Let's keep our focus on Grace.
Damn it, Trip. You and my parents are always planning these stupid... No?
Ah, you want to know more? Thank you, that helps. Grace, you never want to go on vacation with me and your parents, so I have to plan everything.
Ugh. No, let's focus on us, our relationship. I think Trip's afraid of visiting his parents. He does everything he can to avoid seeing them.
Afraid of my parents? My parents are idiots.
No, it's true.
Dan, come on. I don't feel like fixing drinks at this moment. Let's keep the focus on us, not just one person.
Dan, you blame me for all of this, don't you?
See, I don't think you really want to be an artist. No?
Ugh, Trip, how dare you say that to me? Ugh, Trip, how dare you say that to me? Ugh. Ugh.
Look, let's talk about Grace now.
Trip, how could I ever imagine trying to be an artist when you get so angry anytime I mention painting?
Ugh.
Dan, I can't take it anymore.
Why?
Ah, yes. Just you saying that helps, really.
What? Grace, I'm not stopping you from doing anything. Besides, you never listen to me anyway.
Ugh. Look, let's not focus on just me or you. Let's talk about us.
It's so annoying. Grace, why is it that anytime I want to do something nice for you, you resist it?
Trip.
Like I always have to convince you.
Dan, you know, we... Let's keep talking about us, our relationship.
Grace, we don't have to do this. Things are okay.
Dan,
we can just...
I can't stand the pretending anymore. I can't take it.
Why? No. Grace, we can... I mean, come on. Don't make it out to be so bad.
Ugh.
Dan, if there's something about me, just tell me what it is. Let's keep the focus on us, not just one person. You know, I can't say Grace never acts loving towards me. Dan, she's all over me at our goddamn parties, trying to look good in front of the guests. Aha!
Dan, you're saying I'm lying?
See, Grace...
Yes? Oh my God, you think I'm making this up?
Yes? Look, let's not focus on just me or you. Let's talk about us both.
You know, I really don't have anyone to talk to.
Grace.
My so-called friends, they're just jealous of us, if you can believe that.
Dan, Of course your friends are jealous. They should be. You've got a great life.
Okay, God damn it, I can't do this anymore. Just stop. Dan, I know what you're trying to hint at. About us. About art. Do you really want the honest truth, huh? Trip, huh?
Yes.
Dan, I've actually been paying close attention to what you've been saying tonight. You've really been pushing me. It makes me wonder if you're really my friend.
Grace!
Dan, I've got to ask you, yes or no. Do you really think that criticizing Trip, and worst of all, telling me I'm lying, but especially what you said about listening too much to your spouse, that we'll somehow realize something about our marriage? Is what you've said tonight supposed to add up somehow to something? Is it? Okay. Trip, I let you stop me from being an artist.
You let
I
me?
was afraid, Trip, okay? I admit it. I didn't know if I could do it, be a real artist. And I've been using you as an excuse for why I didn't do it.
Jesus.
Dan,
Dan,
what?
this changes everything.
Yes, it does change everything. I think it's over.
Grace.
No. It's over, Trip. Don't you see that?
What? But you just said...
I just told you something about us I should have said a long time ago. I've been using you as an excuse not to be an artist.
Grace, no, you...
No, Trip, this isn't about you or me. It's about us. Our marriage. I see that now.
Me? Our marriage? Hey, no, wait!
Dan, I'm sorry. Thank you, though. You really helped us.
Grace? Grace! Jesus Christ. I should have told her that... I could have told her that